guys, Mario Martinez Jr., CEO and founder of Vengreso, and I'm here with the Vengreso Virtual Sales Team, and we are using the new Zoom video filters. That's right. You can take a look right on the board right here in gallery, and this is a great way to be able to open up a virtual sales meeting with your customers in breaking the ice, especially with trying to build relationship and rapport. So how do you find it? Just open up your Zoom, go down at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, right next to stop video button, click that little arrow that's up there. But when you do that, you're gonna click the little arrow next to the stop video button and choose video filter. And once you do that, you're gonna have a ton of video filters that you can change out. You can put goggles on, you can put on a hat. You can also be a reindeer if you want to, or if you ever wanted to speak on the big stage, there you go. You can speak on the big stage. So all of y'all, this is a technique that you can use for virtual selling or remote selling reps. All of the virtual sales people at Vengreso, say hello.
Hey, how you doing?
And we got Kurt Shaver with his dog saying goodbye. All of you guys, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. And don't forget to visit us at vengreso.com. If you want to learn how to be able to do virtual sales prospecting, visit us at moresalescalls.com. Talk to you all later.